Hi, I am Mrs. Connie Talani Magnaye Jamontisa Jr., also known as Mrs. Connie Talani Magnaye Quezon the First. My younger sister did cut my hair. Now it is short. That is what I could just say at the moment. What I could feel. Mm, Nothing as I could feel. I could just feel it is something such this. Mm. Hmm. Oh, yun. Uh, I'm not sure if uh, real or drama. I not want to think about them, about the funeral. I could feel lightweight. Lightweight, that is their call. But on myself, I call it smooth, soft, soft, soft. It is soft on my head. I not know why. Tingin ko, I don't know if it is true or in there or not, but what I could feel is soft, such as from heaviness to softness, something such that. And I want to think about them. Talig ko, and then it is heavy in here. I not know. I feel scared. There is a voice in my ear. That is what I could just say at the moment. And then, what else could I say? I not want my situation. Do you know Sundance? It is being says, oh, yakadiri. I not want to say it. It is being says of the neighborhood at Barangay Pinagsama, the rental house. And then I not know truthfulness. I not know about it. I not know what is happening about. I not know about it. Seriousness. And then they should not involve me on a situation of they tends to what you call that? They tends to uh, uses myself. It is when it comes into Sundance, they tends to I am Catholic Church, and then I hear Sundance, and then the person Mayor Haida Kisay tends to say basta tuloy Sundance, saying such that in English. Uh, I not know of what is the taga English word of basta. What is my English word is uh, no matter what, uh, Sundance is tuloy yung Sundance, continuous Sundance, saying such that. May Haida Kisay that is year 2023, 2023 during that moment. She is on left ear during that night. So I say a portion on year 2023. And then, when I think of Sundance, I search it on Google. Sundance is event, but on my right eye, it is such as on the use of black magic, and then cult, cult that is. I feel scared, seriousness. When I'm doing such this, uh, stay away from me if stay away from me, Sandan, something such that. That is the definition of this because of I feel horror in I feel what do you call that scared. I not know about it eh. And then during year 2024, they moves on to level 2, leveling the Sandan, saying it is such as contradict to Catholic. I not know what it means. I not know what it is about. The right eye is putting me in a situation of getting myself out of something. I am Catholic Church, religious. I don't know what is sentence mean. And then, I say the portion of the only portion of Sundance on the 7-year black magic. Color. At this talking year 2025, while I am videoing myself, on the right eye, the right eye is thinking Sundance is color red, such this red color. But I don't know about it. I am Catholic Church. This is on myself. Oh, such this Catholic, and then this is Rosary. This is on myself. Kaya nga, I am consistent and then continuous on this religious. I not know Sundance. They talks on my ear, or which is they is bullying me. And then I am afraid because of they is killing me. What else? Mm, vibes of Merhaida Kisai talking on my ear is group. She is something such as there is group and then she belongs to the group and then about being of religion of her. That is the vibes. In the right eye, I feel scared during the moment to Merhaida Kisai. That is the start. The start of such as I not want other religion other than Catholic Church, especially the I not want them. Kaya nandidiri ako. Is that eh! I not want them. I only Catholic Church religious. Not what you call that bullying of the religious. I just not want them. Nandidiri ako. I not want to be classmate of Corina is the person saying about Kabit. That is year 2014. That is the first encounter of myself on the word Kabit. During Angel Locsin and Maa Salvador, my ear is closed. I could not hear them. That is good. Oh, that is good. Oh, who's the person the right eye? No person the left eye. That is good. Oh, it should, mine is mine talaga. What happened kaya? Why myself is on this situation? Catholic Church is me. Religion. What else could I say? 9 minutes and 44 seconds. But that is good. They is talking on the television, Angel Locsin and then Maa Salvador about kabit and then I could not hear it. That is so good. Why myself is such this situation? Kailan nga yung kabit, yung patungkol kay Angel Locsin tsaka kay Maha? 2014 din yon? I not know if it is 2014. And then, I will talk now about the Bulinggit Kid. Ni tao, squeezing my nose. Did squeeze my nose. Wait, I feel gulantang shocks. There's no person in here. A person that does not use black magic. There is no nothing in here. I not use black magic. Why? Does it mean my head is on circling? I'm not thinking of them. Focus now is me about Bulinggit Kid. During year 2023, Bulinggit Kid says on my right eye, saying, "Iwan mo na siya. Tayo-tayo na lang ni Roderick Kid mag, ah, sama-sama pamilya." Yung sabi niyo, ng bata. You know why? Because there is kabit that lingers. They as well cite it. Not know. Is they my child? I not know. Who in English translation, left leave him, you and me and Roderick Kid, parang be together as a family. Yung sabi niyo, right on, of Bulinggit. During that moment, there is kabit that tends to ruin the relationship. And then, lover ko Alex ko. And then, Roderick Kid once says to myself, binabantayan ko siya, wala siyang kabit. Sabi niya, in English translation, I guards him. He has no kabit. Sabi sa akin ni Roderick Kid, year 2022, year 2023. Year 2022 is Roderick Kid shows himself on myself on the cell phone. Year 2021, I think. That is year 2021. Then year 2022, he says that on myself. And then he says to myself, ano yung tawag ko sa'yo? Mama or mommy? What he feels? Mama or mommy? What do I feel to myself? It will start to Alex Jr. po. Huh? No. What I prefer is mommy. Mommy? Why? Because I call to my parent mama. And then my situation is such this. I am on my parent side. In English translation of Roderick says, "What do I call you, mommy or mama?" Something such that. And then Bulingit says, year 2023, nasasaktan ka eh. Sabi niya, in English translation, you feel hurt eh. That is why he says that. Me, Bulinggit, and then Roderick Kid be together as a family, something such that. And then I say, di ba may mother ka, yung payat? I say that to Bulinggit Kid in English translation. You have a mother, the slim body, am I correct? And then Bulinggit does not already talks to me. He is on observation whenever I go to the house of Alex Jr. ko to sight the face of Alex Jr. ko. That is the uh, moment of something such as kid age and then the knowledge that akin la utak ko. May my brain is mine. What it is about? What to call? What to call? I not know why such that. And then I am already done on Bulingit Kid. Ay naon. My eye is healthy. Healthy is my eye. So I am already done on Bulingit Kid. I am already on Gab Kid. So Bulingit Kid is your 2023 talks but has no presence on my right eye. Only saying Bulinggit ito, something such that. This is Bulinggit. And then the next is Gabkid na. Okay, Gabkid. The only eyesight Bulinggit is year 2021. Now I will talk about Gabkid. I need to talk to about them because of my focus truthfulness is Alex Jr. ko. They tends to interfere, such as Christian Gabon, Bulinggit, and then now Gabkid. I not say yet about the I say it. I say about I say it about traumatization feeling of Gabkid is towards me and then telling me that he does not want to be uh, far from his mother. Nagsusumbong yung bata on the use of feeling. The feeling is towards of such as ganun. That is the doing of the kid. I don't know why. And ngiti ako. My mouth says, ayan na naman siya. The mouth of myself starts to talking of such that the tongue. I don't know why. Wait. I thought, wait lang. I thought putting black color on my tongue is the cure, or that is the something such that, and then no, I will talk more. Farm is the next, so that myself be understood about the dialect of something. Lover Alex ko. Akin lang Alex ko. Tagalog at English lang alam ko salita. If my mouth talks on other dialecto, the that is the meaning of myself is on black magic. Ayong Tagalog at English only is what I know. I will talk now. Mm, on badminton, about careful, there is interrogation. There is person that talks in my ear, I not know why. And then there is observant. I don't know why there is observant. Myself is being not mature, not talking on you. 7 year of black magic. It is already year 2025. It starts year 2017 about wedding proposal. And then it turns onto such this. I don't know why. I will talk. Who knows? I am hoping to be with Alex Jr. already. I feel sad and then hoping. That is my feeling towards Alex Jr. ko. But I am happy on the life of myself to Alex Jr. ko. Love ko Alex ko. I just feel happy, sad because of my situation is on Black Magic. Gabkid na, Gabkid. On Gabkid, he is saying to his to his fellow friend playing badminton that there is as well ATV, ATV, ATV or go-kart race. The go-kart race is what I like to my baby. And then when I hear that kid, he say that. I don't know why. And then during he say that, myself is already on wonders. Left or right. Hmm? Focus is me specific. Left or right, wonders. Go-kart racer is memory on the left eye. And then, yun, there is feeling, mm, there is no feeling yet about indoor because I not sight go-kart race. And then, uh, when Gabkid is putting dragonfly on my chest, upper chest, he is talking about me on the right eye. That is on the right eye. He talks to myself of such as, kailangan ba nitong gawin yung dragonfly about observation? Sabi niya, ano ka pag mother ka? Parang ganun. That is Tagalog word and English word. Is it necessary to observe about dragonfly? What is you being a mother? Yun, sabi ng bata. That is what is being says of the kid. observant. Myself is truthfulness. Ako ay nagpapakatotoo sa sarili, and then I know to myself what I like. Alam ko sa sarili ko kung ano gusto ko. So, when it is about the saying of the right eye, there is a person that says that to God kid about dragonfly. I not know. There is air. Oh my God. The the air blows my hair in here. And then what is just being says on myself of the right ear? Huwag kang pakialamera, sabi niya. That voice is the person in the bullying. It is putting on heaviness about God kid. Ay, not what then. Not what then. And then, uh, God kid plays badminton on another location. But before that, uh, on the tree, oh my God, my feeling is being returned. Oh, I'm not dramatic. My feeling is being returned when it is about tree of guava. What it is about, the feeling of near on Makata, Filipina, dalagang Filipina, Batanggenya. I'm not Batanggenya, Batangas. Vibes. I am wearing toko, and then t-shirt, and then uh, hair ribbon, and then pants, and then slim body. But someone is raises my eyebrow. Not know why. And then, oh, my left eye at the moment is sleepy. And then, wait. Bakit? Mama ko. And then, I'm not sip-sip, utak. My mind is 29-year-old. And then, I have stuff in here. Could not cite it. I'd like to buy. Hadisin mo lang. Turns to color white. I thought someone puts uh, penicillin on it. I just cite it previous year 2024. Ay, Miko, I need to talk. Or talk lang and talk. And then, oh, there is crime as well. This one, the white, turns to color white. Year 2024. Oh, why? The right arrow says there is the person. I don't want to talk about them. Uh, this house of my father does not yet being blessed of priest. Thank you. sakit sa ulo. That is why I am such this. Mine is Alex ko. I already said about stabbing on head of myself. Kin lang Alex ko. Akin asawa ko. I not like myself hurting. It is sadness. And then, and then, what else it is? On the tree, guava tree. May feeling been returned, 29-year-old. And then, I could not know about nagpapagod ako. I not know. Ay! I not know. Ay, ano ba yan? Wala. I'm the person that talks. Ako niyan. But myself when it comes on to academics, person to person, non-academics, I have no non-academics, only academics. I not know about, wait lang, I will talk. Truthfulness, myself is such this, and then I know of what I am saying, and then it is truthfulness of during those years. I say, next na ako. No truthfulness. I have no non-academic. When it comes on to singing, only on computer I learn. Wait lang. Something such that. And then, when it is about writing, person to person, of how I cite it, such that is my learning. Wait, I will. Hold on. When I am holding my top of head, it is not ache, myself is awake. But when it is such that, it is such as heavy, it is ache. Wala. So, what else? I am capable talaga. next na. It is such as sting. Sting in here. Mm, this is during year 2023. Year 2023. Year 2023 it is. Please eat witness. Never collects ko. Brown skin color. And then, on the guava tree, mm, Vibes of Gab Kids shows about uh, Alex Jr. ko vibes being boyfriend, husband, lover, boyfriend. And then myself cry because of I sided on a kid and not oh wait, that is the vibes of high school. High school, wait a minute. That is the vibes of Alex Jr. ko high school. That is the vibes of Alex ko high school. Boyfriend vibes. Boyfriend, husband, lover. And then, there is vibes of Kuya Kaloy, Kuya Warren. Yan na. The right eye is on chismosa about horse. Horse of Kuya Kaloy. Then Kuya Warren. On Inchi. I don't know why they use such that. I don't know. And then, when it comes to Kuya Kaloy and then Kuya Warren and then Maki, they is putting it on only here Philippine. Why? I don't know. Because of knowledge, they tends to keep them. Myself wants to at America residence, Asia country, Asia country. And then, uh, mm, and then what else happens? The girl gender, uh, the girl gender inside of the house of wherein Gabkid is at home has a vibes of clingy. It shows on the guava tree how it is will return on myself. It is already road, road, cement road, not brown soil. How it is will return on myself. That is my feeling in there. Mine is mine. I not know why. I not know how. How kaya? Yan no. Only on that location, Cagayan. That is why. That is as well my vibes in there. My feeling near on Ilog. It is in here at the moment. At least myself is alive. already there is cement road. Oh, I say to Alex ko I like Tagaytay province as a province. Letter E, I not know letter E. And then, that is myself vibes. Brown soil. It is depends on specific brown soil. When I watch Africa, there is as well brown soil. And then myself is careful. Hey Miko, is that for an adult thinking or myself is I don't know, 29-year-old already is me. That is why I have as well on imagination the girl from Africa continent shows. She is as well has baby boy and then tall height friend. She is a friend and not sight her personally. Person to person is me and Nico. She shows herself year 2021, 2022. I not know about the rainbow in here. Mine is color brown. Ano meron? What is happening? Talk lang tayo. Talk lang. Talk ka lang. Ako kaniyan. Ano? In here is a this is the line. Ah. But it uh and then oh my standard. You want to set my standard? Myself is talking in here. Could it be so? Maybe it could help. I learned it on high school by observation. But not the word by observation. On observation, doing high school. Sometimes the other is grade school, standing position. But this my standard. That is my standard. Cleanliness on inside the house, no dust. It aches in here and then it is lightweight. Not know what it means. And then this one. Onion. And then this one. Let's not headache, not for headache. Tok lang, tok. What else could I say? Mm, oh, this one. Wait. On guava tree. Naon that kid. I say to the kid, wait until 15-year-old to 17-year-old. He is just saying recommendation. Who is the first mover indoor? The girl gender, I think. Temiko. But it is. Myself is stopping to talk. Myself is putting scareness on the right eye. And then, um, what else? Aray ko, sakit. And then, else? Hindi ako. Even though there is sometimes of this, I am pretty. Chest pain. What else could I say? After that guava tree, the kid is already go inside the house. And then, ito na. This is already about when Gabkid shows himself then playing badminton with his friend. funny yan. The bobo camouflages on my right eye. Maganda ako. Ito. Ah, 15 minutes and 31 seconds.